Hi everyone, in before video I have made lightning web components. Like what is LWC, why LWC, what about ARA, LWC structure, where to start from. It's all about introduction to LWC. If you missed that video, the link was available in description. Just go and watch. In this video I'll talk about how we can create an LWC application without Salesforce and what are the tools required. And also we'll run this LWC application in our laptop. So let's watch this video. Here I'll show first of all we need to install some tools to create an LWC application. So what are the tools required to create an LWC application? So for that we need Visual Studio Code. Just I'm googling download Visual Studio Code. So there, like, Visual Studio is also there. So there is a difference between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Actually I have made a video. The link was also available in description. If you want, you can watch the difference between Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So in this now I'll download Visual Studio Code. So just click on download Visual Studio Code. If you are using Mac, you can download the Mac. If you are using Linux, you can download Linux. If you are using Windows, you can download. So I am using Windows. You can download. Actually I have already downloaded and installed in my laptop. So for that, just I am clicking that Visual Studio Code. Just you guys no need to do anything. Just download and install in your laptop. So this is one thing. So second one, which is we need Node. So click on Node.js download. So you can download the latest version of Node.js. There is no issue of downloading any version. So here you can click on download Node.js of version for Windows. Actually we are using Windows. If you are using Mac, you can download. So I'm clicking this and I'm downloading the required. So I have already downloaded, so I'm not doing that. So two things, which is Visual Studio Code and Node.js. These are the two we need to create an LWC application without Salesforce. So now just click on this Visual Studio. So here I have the code. No, I don't want. So I want to create a new application. So for that I'm opening, which is new window. That means empty new window I'm taking here. So I'm closing this older one. So here I'm opening a terminal of my window. So like just click on this and open the terminal. There is a shortcut which is called Control Shift Backtick to open a terminal. So actually now I'm in users and C drive. I don't want to be in C drive. First of all, I'm going back to my D drive or E drive. So I want like a E drive. So just I'm going D colon. So now I'm in D drive. So to create an LWC application without Salesforce, so we have a command which is called npx. For to create an LWC application, so we need npx. That means a Node.js we need. So I have already downloaded and I have already installed the Node.js. So here you can check the Node.js which was downloaded in my system. So now the command which is npx create hyphen LWC hyphen app and name of the app. So which is I want to give my application will be LWC application. My name of the application, the name of the project I'm giving, which is LWC application. So just create by using this command. It would take time to create. Yeah, so here we got, like, do you want to use simple setup? Of course yes. Just click on Y in your keyboard and the package name for npm. That means what the application name was given, that is the name. If you want to give the explicit name, you can give what the explicit name you want, but the package name also I want the same. So that's why I have made this. And there will be an templates here to select, like, which is the standard web application. If you want this just normal template, you can select the standard web application. If you want the progress progressive web app, you can select, and if you want electron web app, you can. But I want normal template to show you, so that just I'm selecting the standard. If you want to select the progressive, just click on the arrow keys and you can select the required template to you. But I'm selecting the standard web app and I'm just clicking. And you want express API server. Actually, I'm not hosting here, so that's why I'm clicking no. If you want to host this application in anywhere, you can, you want server, right? So here LWC provides an inbuilt server which is called express API server. If you want, you can use. So by clicking on why, it automatically includes into your project, but I don't want, because in this video I don't want to host anywhere, so that's why I'm clicking no. So now it would take time, almost it take 5 to 6 minutes to create entire project. Until then, just wait. So here you can see that the LWC application is created successfully. So I'll open that the project and everything. So actually I have created in D drive. Just go to this PC and just go to D drive, and there will be an LWC application. You can see that this is the project structure of LWC application. So to open the here I want to open this Visual Studio Code. Just click on CMD. So after that, just click on code dot. So this is the shortcut to open the Visual Studio from your project structure. So just click on code space dot. So why I'm doing here is, here you can see in before that my project structure is not there. You can open through file, and you can open folder also. This is one way. And another way is, just go to file explorer to that location, and you can download, you can open that project by using the command code space dot. So anyway, finally I have opened my project, which is LWC application. So here first of all I'll explain, before running the project I want to explain the project structure here. So here you can see the node modules. While creating the project, the required node modules was installed. No need to install explicitly these node modules. And the second one, which is called scripts, the folder which contains server.js here. So what the server contains means, actually this application was running localhost 3001. So if you want to change the port number, here you can change the port number. So I'll show that localhost 3001 once I'll run the application. Then you came to know what is this localhost 3001. Here in the scripts folder, server.js, we are setting this. And coming to SRC, which is very important, because here only the entire code will be there. So actually we have a main component which is called index.html and index.js. So what the code we are seeing, everything will comes under index.html. We can say it as a main component. So in what are the sub components we have, like coming to modules, we have a my so we have a two components, which is called app component and greeting component. In each component we'll have a three files, which is called .html, .css and .javascript. You can see app.css, app.js and app.html. And same like in greetings also, which is greeting.css, greeting.html, greeting.js. These are the two components. We can say that while creating only we'll get this components. So I did it like while creating the project only we'll get this component. So if you want to create a new component, just you can right click and add a new folder, which is called, if you want home component, if you want to create, just create a home folder. In that you can add three files which called as an HTML, CSS and JS files. And we have a resource folder. So the resource, I'll explain this what is resource folder and everything while explaining the code. So this is the overall structure of LWC application. So we have a config file, lwc config.json. So here we'll have register the modules. So because of these SRC modules only, we are redirecting to the particular page. So we given the routing here. And next we have a package.json. So what the package was there in what we are using, everything was there here. So and we have a package.json file, same the required dependencies will there here. So these are all the required package folders and required files will be there. So now I'll run the application. To run the application, we have a command to run this LWC application, which is npm run watch. So this application which is we created without Salesforce, so that means I didn't created any SFDX. That means a Salesforce development kit, which was I'm not downloaded. Without using that, I'm created this project. So without Salesforce, we are creating this LWC project. So here you can see this localhost 3001, which is the port number of my application. I have already shown how this localhost 3001 is coming because of here. If you want to change to 3002, here go and change the required port number also what you want. So I'll run this port into my browser. Just click on this and you'll run this. So hello application and this button, everything is coming from project. So which are the files, what files are in was there here. So here I have shown that index.html, right? So the index.html, my LWC app, the title. So the title is coming from here. You can see that my LWC app that is coming from here. So you can change this LWC app to my Haripriya app. Just you can change whatever the name required. So you can just give the name and just make it as Control S. You can see this and here my LWC app was changed to the title. So how it is happened actually? So in LWC, the one advantage is you no need to rerun the application again. So if you made any changes, just go and do the changes and just make it as Control S. It automatically saves and no need to rerun the application and no need to rerun this browser screen also. No need to reload this. So that is one advantage of LWC, because by that we can save time. No need to rerun, no need to reload, and no need to do that things. So here the icon and everything is coming from this index.html. This icon is coming from here. So so here the icon, the favicon icon, actually this is coming from resource. So resource folder, there will be an favicon icon and normal icon also. So actually I have shown two components, right, which is app component and greeting component. So in app component we have that app.html. You can see that the icon, what the logo was used from here, coming from app.html. So how I am telling means, you can see that the LWC PNG was used here, as well as the the text also coming from here. So here I can just reload something was there, right? I can change into which is my LWC application. Just I'm changing some text. So you can see the differences actually. Just make it as Control S and you can see here here it is changed to my LWC application. And also we have a button which is called LWC learn LWC, that is also from here. So and what about this greeting component? So what it was using? So actually the greetings we are getting different languages like Chinese, Japanese, English, and German language. So how it is getting Hindi and some Urdu languages also we are getting here. So actually this is getting from this greeting component dot html. We can see here actually this greeting component we are using the different languages. You can see the greeting.js, hello, this all languages which is used. So and they given some transition also like fade. It to change one language to another language, it's the animation is applied because they have written the code which is a fade slow, fade is fast. These animations was used here, so that's why it getting. So this component is rendered to html app.html. So how I am telling here, you can see this the greeting component, my greeting component was rendered here. You can see, so my is the folder, hyphen greeting is the component name. So they given this component, so that's why this component of different languages of the greeting, like hello in Japanese, in Chinese, is coming from this greeting dot component to app component. So like this we are getting one component, we can render multiple components. Here we can say that app component is the main component, so the greeting is the child component. We can say the parent component, app is the, and the parent component we can render many child components. So that is here we did that. And we can create a new components also, if you want, and if you don't want, uh, you can create and you can render multiple components at a time also. So I hope it is very clear. So to create a project without Salesforce, and it is very easy to run this LWC application in our laptop. It's small recall that what I have did here is just I have installed required tools, which is Visual Studio Code and Node.js, and I have created the command, the project, by using the command which is npx create-lwc-app, the name of the application. And just after creating that project, just I have run this project by using npm just run watch. So these are the two commands to create and to run the application, and I have explained the entire project structure of LWC. So what is the use of learning this framework? Actually, if you want to run the web application using without Salesforce and with Salesforce, so LWC is the best framework to use. So you can create an LWC application and you can run with Salesforce, without Salesforce. So this is the advantage of learning LWC and creating your project in LWC. So I hope it was very clear video. If you have any questions, just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to you. And if you really like this video, just give a share. If you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn lot many things in this channel.